What is up, guys? You know what's up, right? We are up. We are up. You remember, like yesterday, I told you that Bitcoin broke the resistance right here from like here, the resistance from December from last year. Imagine, I told you that it broke. Like we waited how much? 34 days. We waited 1 month for it to break, and it finally broke. And yeah, we are seeing some decent longs. And yeah, if you longed and if you watched yesterday's video, good job, good. But yeah, today I have new opportunities for you today too. So make sure you watch it till the end. But first, I'm the doctor, and you are on. So, today I don't have any type of news for you guys because we all know the news. We saw it everywhere. We saw it like, yeah, ETF, blah, 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 ETF gonna get approved. I do not care. Personally, I don't think that the ETF is gonna be approved because, yeah, I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it is not. But, yeah, it is still gonna dump. If it is gonna get approved, it's gonna dump because it's buys rumor, sells and news, The major players already bought, so they're gonna sell. Yeah, that's why, in my prediction, in my speculation, that is why we're seeing all this volume today, all this right up today, all this bullishness, because they wanna sell tomorrow. That is what I see right now. So, is it a great time to long now, right now? No, because you missed your chance. I told you to long after when it breaks right here, and it broke. And what happened? Our take profit was right around 46.6. It broke the take profit, and now it is at 46.9. Our take profit was at, if you guys remember, 46,600 and something. So yeah, and the maximum, I told you that it was gonna go from 48. Now this was 47.6, I think, 47.8. I remember 47.8 to 50,000. I told you it was gonna go. Maybe we could see a little bit like pump up to here, but tomorrow, it's the news. If the ETF gets approved, it's the news. The major players are gonna sell. So yeah, it's gonna dump. If the ETF got rejected, same thing. Everybody's gonna sell and they're gonna complain, and they'll say just you know, it's just, yeah. It became like a cycle now, like for a year. I think around a year. It's just, yeah, ETF, ETF, ETF. Then no ETF, 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 yeah, no. And it doesn't make sense for there being an ETF right now, because they would be losing like money, because they could just suppress the value of Bitcoin, suppress the value, and just buy more Bitcoin. But who knows? Either way, I do not care. I think it is gonna dump, and yeah, probably it is like 60% or 70% chance it's gonna dump. Probably, in my opinion. But I might be wrong. So yeah. But for trades, for making money right now, I told you right here to buy, on the weekly. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. I told you. Do you listen? Some of you do, some of you don't. But yeah. And I am loving this because we're getting some money. We got like right here, even if you got right here, and we are up 5%. That means 5% times 20, 100%. So if you only have even like if you traded with 1,000 bucks, right? So you got $2,000 now. I'm happy. I know I am. You should be happy if you taken the trade as I told you to. If not, no worries. There is always another trade, another time. So yeah, don't fall in, don't do anything. Right now, to buy Bitcoin, it's foaming in. You already missed it. Don't do it. I mean, like, if you want to trade it, if if you want to buy it on spot, sure thing. It's never late to just buy Bitcoin and just hold. But for traders, for people like me, for day traders, for what we do, yeah, don't open any type of longs. If you already opened a long and followed me before, just do what I did. I took out like 70 to 80% profit, and just take it and just hold the rest. If it dumps, it dumps. You already are in profit. So yeah, and make your new stop loss like right here. Take your profit 70% to 80% profit, your choice. And yeah, as soon as it gets like below here, yeah, just take the rest out, because yeah, tomorrow it could just go down, like, yeah, it could just start, it could be a beginning of a pullback, so maybe a pullback, then a consolidation right here, or even right here. My opinion is like we're gonna see some pullback and some consolidation right here, and maybe we could break the 38k level, or maybe hold it. But one thing is for sure, we need to go down. I don't know. I don't think we are going up, especially past the 50,000 level, because yeah. Sorry for my voice today. I got some cold. It's like a flu or something. I don't know. It's yeah, I don't like I came here for some business. I'm on a business trip, and it's really cold out here. I did not like it, so yeah, my body doesn't like it too. Okay, so on the 4-hour chart, same thing. It broke. Like, look at this. It was the best entry out of all of them. Broke. You could have entered here. Right here, it closed right above the resistance I showed you before. And look, straight up, yep, straight up, and it just waited for you. Look at this. Right now, what I see is, let me show you what I see. I see this. Right now, I'm seeing this. So maybe, not maybe, probably, if it breaks these two levels, the 47.1 and the 46.5 level, it is gonna go up or down. So probably, maybe until tomorrow, we're gonna consolidate a little bit. And tomorrow, when the news comes, we might see like this, maybe a little consolidation like this, and yeah, we might see something like this, consolidation, then down. So we have some time until tomorrow, and yeah, tomorrow is a big day. So for people new to Bitcoin who want to trade Bitcoin right now, just don't do anything. Just wait until tomorrow, and when tomorrow comes, you can short it. I'll post a video. Make sure to subscribe, because you don't want to miss the next video. And to not miss the video of that trade, of the next trade for Bitcoin tomorrow, when the ETF news come out, click that bell button, because you do not want to miss it. Tell YouTube, just let YouTube know you wanna get notified when I release another video, because you do not want to miss it. You're just sleeping on the money, You're sleeping on money that you could have made. So yeah, you do not want to do that. Okay, we finished for Bitcoin. Let's see total market cap excluding the top three, so excluding Bitcoin, ETH, yeah, and yeah, I told you that altcoins season is here. We went up and just down, tested, so this turned to a support. The resistance, it was a resistance right here. It was a long resistance, like how much? It was a 17 days, so 2 weeks resistance, and yeah, now it turned into a support. So really good. What this means is we're gonna go up to 600 billion. So altcoin season, get your money on some altcoins. So yeah, okay, Solana. Yeah, I would want a long Solana. Long it, like, went down here, rejected, down here, rejected. So we got the pullback we needed. Maybe we could see like it could continue further down, or what we could see is, oh, wait a minute. I see something right here. On the daily, what I noticed right now is, let me show you guys. Okay. I need the parallel. Where is it? Yeah, this is it, I think. Oh, yeah. So right here, if you see this, yeah, and we can see this too. So what this means is, when Solana breaks out of this, we can go up to probably $150 on the daily. But first, without getting into any type of trades, please, guys, wait for it and just be patient and let it break the resistance right over here. We need to see it break the resistance. And by the way, the resistance like lines up perfectly on to the previous resistance, to the horizontal resistance, on the $100 level. And if you remember, like I told you about the $100 from on a video, and people love the round numbers, so $100 is, yeah, it's a decent resistance. So, but I don't think we really need it. But yeah, it showed right here it was some support. Maybe it could be used as a resistance right here, support. It could turn to into resistance, and yeah. So if Solana breaks this resistance on the daily, the diagonal, okay, so what you want to do is right here, if it broke like right now, right here, whoa, it's a 45% move up. So what you want to do is, like many people, they just put their stop losses right down here. If you do it like right down here, it's gonna get filled because, you know, the big players, the institutions, they just want to play with you. So yeah, so just to be safe, just let it flow and make your stop loss right down here. So it could give you a 1 point, like it is good if it gives you a 2-to-1 ratio. So you can have a 2-to-1 ratio, and yeah, so if you get in a long on Solana when it breaks with just even 10%, with a 10% leverage, that's a 400% move. Even if you just move the take profits like down here to just be safe, you know, to 144 level, that means a 400% move. So what that means is, if you only have $1,000 to trade, you know, to put in one trade, that means like 10, that $1,000 needs to be 10%. So if you have $10,000, 10% of that 10,000, 10K is 1,000, 1K. So you put 1K on Solana and trade opening long. If you have $1,000, you can turn that 1K into 4K. It's a really good trade. It's a really, really good trade, and I'm gonna get into it. So yeah, nice thing I saw it right here. This is like why I love to do these shows, guys. It is gonna be a good time to buy Solana. And by the way, I showed you the total market cap, and it is time to buy some altcoins. So yeah, Solana might be the one to buy. You wanna buy Solana and you wanna trade Solana 400%. So yeah, make sure you have your eyes on Sol. Okay, AVAX, if you remember, we were in a long down here. I already took profits, my profits. I told you about that. And now you can re-enter right down here. We are already up 4%. So with 10x, we are already up 40%. For AVAX right now, I would want to close it. I closed all my trades on AVAX, and just close all your longs on AVAX if you have any, and just move your money to Sol, because AVAX you still have time, and it could go down to the $28 level, probably, maybe. So, and put some limit orders down here, and well, not down here, just it would be good to put some limit orders down at the $22 mark, because it is a really good time to buy if it goes to $22. And right now, personally, I'm all out on AVAX, and we already took profits. We took 650, so 6.5x. We made 6.5x on AVAX alone. So yeah, if you catch that trade, if you saw my video and opened a trade and took some profits, good for you. If not, subscribe and don't miss the other ones that are gonna come up in the future. Link, yeah, is still in this zone that I drew. It's coming onto the support. If you want a long link, you can. I wouldn't be against a longing link right now, because it is on the way up to the $17 mark again. Maybe the 16.6, so 16. So you can have like with 10x 150% profit, and so yeah. But me personally, I don't want to get in link as long as it doesn't break the resistance or break the support. I'm not into link. I don't have any longs or shorts on link. And if we see it on the weekly, yeah, same thing. It went down, now it's on the way up. 4 hours, same thing we are seeing. So yeah, I want to check Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. Oh, look at this. So Bitcoin is pumping right now on the 4-hour. Yeah. So yeah, I already told you about this. Let me check it on the 1-hour. Yeah, same thing. I don't want to trade on the 1-hour or the 30-minute time frames, because the longer your time frame is, the stronger it is, the stronger the signal is. Because I don't make mistakes because I don't I don't focus on the lower time frames. If I did focus on the lower time frames, I did made a lot of mistakes. But I haven't made any till now because I don't do that. I focus on the higher time frames, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. But mainly the daily and the weekly. The monthly is just the long trades, just the ones I just want to hold, like Bitcoin, like Solana. I bought Solana when it was down at 21, and those type of the VET, yeah, all those stuff. But yeah, mainly daily and weekly. That is how I keep my win rate up. I don't make mistakes. So Neo, I told you about Neo. Yeah, it broke. We missed the trade. It broke, and it would have been a good trade, But yeah, we missed it. What can we do? Nothing there is to do. So yeah, Matic. So what do we need to do on Matic? Right now, I don't want to do anything. On Cardano, yeah, I don't want to do anything. It just, from this point, it's just going down. It's on a downward trend. Like, I don't know. People just say right here. People say, "Oh, Cardano is on the way back up." Like, yeah. Cardano back to 2, back to, yeah. But no, it's just going down. It's still on in a trend. It still haven't broken the trend. Like, from how much? From maybe 409. Oh wow, 2 years, two and something years, more than around 2 years, I think. Or oh, not 2 years, but yeah. So I yeah, as long as it doesn't break this trend, I don't want to touch Cardano. But when it breaks the trend, it is gonna go a long way. First, it's gonna go 60%. Then it's gonna go like, with 10x leverage, we can make 10x. So maybe Cardano might be the next 10x token for us. So yeah, make sure to watch videos because you do not want to miss it. VET, we are out of the trades, all of our trades. Good job, we made some major profits. We made 100x. So yeah. So if you want to re-enter on VET right now, you can do it. It's on the support, and it confirmed I say support, but I would wait for this candle to close. So I would wait until next week. and see how this candle turns out. And if it turns out green and back up here, probably it would, because it created a wick, and most probably like it is gonna fill up the wick. So yeah. And the others, I'll do a separate video for all these new tokens that I added to my watch list, and yeah, this is for today. Please do not trade today. Today is just, take some time off. Just go outside, go do some stuff. I don't know. Go do anything. Go buy some Louis Vuitton, some watch, some, I don't know, go skydiving, go do anything. Today is your just day, You made really good. You made 100x, guys. We made 100x together. Go buy anything you want with the money you made. And yeah, just don't trade today. It's really highly volatile. If you don't know how to trade, yeah, just don't do it. You would lose your money. So personally, I'm not in any type of trades right now. However, I'm watching Sol, and if Sol breaks the resistance I showed you guys, I will take on Sol. For Bitcoin and others, yeah, not into it. Ethereum, I didn't touch Ethereum today. Wait, I'll touch Ethereum, and that is it for today. Okay, where have my drawings gone? We wanna see Ethereum break this, so it is in between, and right in the middle, like there is some resistance right here. Support, resistance, support, resistance. So on the 4-hour chart, you see right here, now it broke. Oh, Ethereum broke. It turned into a resistance again. So you might see Ethereum go back down to this level. So don't short Ethereum, don't long Ethereum. Just stay away. We already made money with Ethereum trades back here. Oh yeah, I remember last before 2 weeks ago, I think, on the previous videos or something like that, we made some money trading Ethereum right here, and our take profit was right here. So yeah, right here, and we made some money. I remember. If you did, good. Right now, I don't want to trade Ethereum. If you do want to trade Ethereum, go for it. Me personally, I have no opinion on Ethereum. I don't want to long, I don't want to short. Probably it's gonna go like up, because now it's catching the bottom right here. And the bottom right now could be this level right here, the 22.7 or 22.8. Even from this point on, it is like a strong support for on the 4-hour chart, and even on the daily chart. So yeah. So yeah, Ethereum is gonna go down. Probably the support is gonna hold and gonna go back up to this point, the 40.24.2 level. So if you want to long, just put some limit orders down here to 2300 or 22.8, and just, yeah, with some 10x or 10x leverage. That seems cool. Or 15, it's Ethereum, so no worries. And make your take profit at right maybe here, right here, a little lower. So 50 with 10x leverage, and your stop loss right here. So it's really not good. It's not even like 2-to-1 ratio. I wouldn't take this trade. If you want to do it, do it. But personally, I wouldn't. Just don't trade today. Stay outside. Okay, guys, this is it for today. I'll catch you tomorrow on the ETF news and on everything. And guys, what do you think? Like, is it better to do this show live every single day? Because if it is live, you can catch, catch live everything that's going on, and we can trade together. I really want to do that, but it just depends on you. Everything depends on you guys. So if you wanna do some lives, and if you wanna see lives, and if you wanna ask questions, ask me to do some TA, any type of questions live, catch up with me. Just write in the comments, tell me in the comments, just, yeah, doctor. Just yeah, maybe do likes, maybe not. Write your opinion. I'll read all my comments. And make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to click that bell button. You do not want to miss any single video, especially this week's, because we are gonna 10x. So we are gonna 1000x. It is gonna be 1000x for us. We might end up hitting our 1000x mark. So yeah, okay, see you guys tomorrow, and please make sure you make a lot of money. Do not lose any.